Hello everyone, my name is Jeffrey Darwin, and today we're going to delve into the topic of project and capital improvements in condominium management. Project and capital improvements are essential aspects of maintaining and enhancing the value of a condominium property. These projects often include significant renovations, system upgrades, and major repairs that ensure the property remains functional, safe, and appealing to residents. Proper management of these initiatives requires comprehensive oversight, strategic planning, effective communication, and diligent monitoring to achieve successful outcomes. Overseeing major renovations or capital projects. Managing large-scale renovations or capital projects involves a series of coordinated efforts. The role of the condominium manager is to supervise and ensure that projects are completed on time, within budget, and meet the required quality standards. For example, elevator modernization project. An aging high-rise condominium faced frequent elevator malfunctions, impacting resident convenience and safety. The condominium manager coordinated a complete elevator modernization project, overseeing contractor selection, securing permits, and establishing a clear timeline. The project included upgrading the mechanical systems, cab interiors, and control panels. Regular progress checks were implemented to mitigate delays and ensure adherence to standards. Another example, let's say, building facade restoration. A mid-rise condominium required extensive repairs to its aging exterior facade to address water infiltration issues. The manager organized the selection of a specialized construction firm, ensured proper risk assessment procedures, and liaised with the board to secure funding. This high-profile project involved complex scaffolding, masonry work, and waterproofing over several months. Through consistent supervision and collaboration with experts, the project was completed efficiently while maintaining safety protocols. Project planning and execution. Timelines and budgets. Strategic project planning and execution are pivotal for ensuring that capital improvements proceed smoothly. This phase involves outlining detailed timelines, securing funding, and setting milestones to track progress. Two examples. 1. HVAC system replacement. The replacement of an outdated HVAC system in a multi-unit building required the development of a comprehensive project plan. The manager collaborated with engineering consultants to assess the scope of work, create a phased execution plan to minimize disruption, and establish a realistic budget with contingency provisions. The timeline was set for 6 months, with regular checkpoints to monitor installation, progress, and budget adherence. Example 2. Parking garage resurfacing. An underground parking garage suffered from deteriorating concrete and water seepage, posing safety concerns. The project plan involved scheduling work in phases to allow resident access while ensuring safety. The budget was reviewed and approved by the board, with anticipated costs clearly outlined. The timeline was mapped over 4 months, with project benchmarks set for initial demolition, resurfacing, and sealing phases. Next, managing communication with residents during project periods. Effective communication is vital during project periods to maintain transparency and minimize resident inconvenience. The manager's role includes providing timely updates and addressing concerns. Two examples. First, common area renovation notices. During a lobby renovation, regular email bulletins and physical notices were issued to keep residents informed about the project timeline, noise expectations, and restricted access points. Open forums and Q&A sessions were hosted to allow residents to voice concerns and ask questions, fostering trust and understanding. Another example, balcony repair announcements. For a multi-phase balcony repair project, detailed schedules were shared with residents well in advance. The manager utilized a dedicated project webpage to post weekly updates, including photos of progress and any schedule changes. Clear communication ensured residents were prepared for limited balcony access and temporary changes in building use. Next, monitoring project completion and quality. Ensuring that projects meet quality standards and are completed on time requires ongoing monitoring and final assessments. 2 examples. First, roof replacement inspection. A large-scale roof replacement involved periodic quality checks by the manager in coordination with independent inspectors. Any issues identified were addressed immediately to maintain progress. The final inspection confirmed that the work met warranty requirements and industry standards before the project was signed off. Another example, lobby redesign review. Following a lobby redesign, the manager conducted walkthroughs with the design team and contractors to verify that all elements met the agreed-upon specifications. Feedback from residents was solicited to address minor post-completion adjustments. This approach ensured the project was completed to satisfaction and reflected the intended design vision. In conclusion, by overseeing planning, communicating, and monitoring with diligence, condominium managers ensure that capital projects are executed effectively, adding long-term value and comfort for all residents. Hoping that this topic has been helpful for you. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.